Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're really happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to everyone listening at home, or maybe outside, or maybe on a quiet walk.
That's a nice thought. Someone listening while walking, slowly, with no rush.
Exactly. And that feeling is actually perfect for our topic today.
It is. Today we're talking about daily routines that calm your mind.
Daily routines, small things we do every day, often without thinking.
Yes, not big life changes, not expensive habits, just simple routines that help you feel a little calmer.
And when your mind feels calm, everything feels easier.
Even learning English.
Especially learning English.
Daniel, are you a morning person?
I wouldn't say I love waking up early, but I do love slow mornings.
Slow mornings are different from early mornings.
Exactly. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m., you just need a few quiet minutes.
I agree. For me, the morning sets the mood for the whole day.
Same here. If my morning feels rushed, the whole day feels rushed.
So, let's talk about a calm morning routine.
Okay? The first thing, before phones, before emails, before the news,
Let me guess. Breathing?
yes, just breathing.
I like that. You open your eyes, and instead of checking your phone, you take a deep breath.
One breath, then another. Nothing complicated,
No app needed.
no timer, no pressure.
Just a moment to wake up. As a human, not as a machine.
That's a good way to say it.
After that, I usually make a warm drink.
Coffee?
Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea.
I'm a coffee person,
Of course you are.
but I try to drink it slowly. No standing, no rushing.
Sitting down helps.
It really does. You notice the taste, the warmth,
That small moment can calm your mind.
and it doesn't take long. 5 minutes is enough.
That's important to say. These routines don't need a lot of time.
They just need attention.
Can we talk about phones?
We should.
Many people wake up, and the first thing they touch is their phone.
Messages, notifications, news.
Your brain gets busy before you even stand up.
That's exhausting.
So one calming routine is waiting.
Waiting before looking at your phone.
10 minutes, even 5 minutes.
Just enough time to be with yourself.
This small pause can change your whole morning.
Another routine I love is gentle movement.
Like stretching?
Yes, stretching, or a short walk.
I like walking, even around the block.
You don't need a gym. You don't need special clothes.
Just comfortable shoes and a calm pace.
When you walk slowly, your thoughts slow down too.
That's true. Walking gives your mind space. Let's move to the middle of the day.
Ah, yes, the busy part.
Work, studies, family.
This is when stress usually appears,
So how do we stay calm in the middle of the day?
with pauses.
Small pauses,
Exactly. You don't need a long break.
just a moment to stop.
Stand up, stretch your shoulders, look away from the screen,
Even looking out a window helps.
trees, sky, clouds.
Your eyes relax, and so does your mind.
Can we talk about food?
Always.
Many people eat very fast.
While looking at a screen,
Emails, videos, messages,
a calming routine is eating without distractions.
just for a few minutes,
You notice flavors, textures.
and your body feels better.
Calm eating is kind eating. Evenings are very important.
Yes, they help us let go of the day.
One routine I love is changing clothes.
Interesting.
When I come home, I change into comfortable clothes.
It tells your brain, work is over.
Exactly.
I do something similar. I wash my hands slowly.
Slowly.
Yes. Warm water. No rush.
That sounds calming.
In the evening, I like quiet activities.
Reading.
Reading, light music, sometimes writing.
Writing.
Just a few lines. What happened today? How I feel.
That helps clear your mind.
It really does.
Let's talk about the end of the day.
Sleep.
Sleep is very important for a calm mind.
One routine I recommend is dimming the lights.
Lower light tells your body it's time to slow down.
And maybe putting the phone away.
Even 30 minutes before bed helps.
You don't need perfection, just intention.
So why do these routines help so much?
Because your mind likes safety,
Routine creates safety.
and safety creates calm.
When your mind is calm, learning feels easier.
You don't feel pressure.
You don't feel rushed.
You just listen and understand.
If you're listening right now, don't think you need to change everything.
Just choose one small routine
One calm moment.
and let it grow naturally.
I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too. It feels calming, just talking about it,
We hope this episode helped you feel relaxed.
and confident.
Before we go, we have a small question for you.
What is one daily routine that helps you feel calm?
It can be very simple.
You can share it in the comments in English.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just express yourself.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care of your mind.
And we'll see you next
time.
Bye.